Yo, what's up? I hope so you're keeping well. Today I'm in the Batu Belig area. Behind me, just where is this wall? This is famous W Seminyak. Batu Belig area is just between Seminyak, Petitenget, and Canggu. Very famous, very easy going atmosphere vibe, however not much is happening. I just want to show you as famous W Seminyak and Petitenget is closed. A lot of people asking us if we can make a vlog in Petitenget. Unfortunately, it's closed. Today I will show you instead Batu Belig area. It was a few days ago was Seminyak, Canggu. I just noticed as I never showed you the Batu Belig. I will go to famous 707 bar, beam something. That was the bar when in this area a long time ago. That was the only bar in this area. However, now it's quite a lot, and yeah, as you can see, not much is happening. It's also very quiet on the beach. It's 5 p.m. so just 1 hour to sunset, and yeah, as you can see.
Stand here a while, take a little time. Since you went away, it came to a halt. Silence is everywhere, and you're not. And now I'm running like there's no tomorrow. My life was on a one-way track. This ain't a story about happy ending. Oh, I could set this world on fire. I could tear this town apart. I tried, but I could never be a part of you and your beautiful life. With a painted smile, I was the willow tree. You were the fire that burned me. Right till the end, we didn't know we lost. It's not easy living with my fingers crossed. You ran away from all the madness. You stumbled till you found your pace. I know now you were better off without me. I should set this world on fire. I should tear this town apart. I'm hurting just to feel my body. I'm breaking just to be apart. I tried, but I could never be a part of you and your beautiful life. Your beautiful life.
As you saw on the material, how I drive, it's really not much is happening. It's still 1 hour to go to sunset, so I decided I will go a little bit to Canggu into the new club, Cafe del Mar and Pepito area over there, and we will see how it's there, and then I will just have a drink in the 707. By the way, as you can see, it's really not much is happening. If you are familiar with the area, you should know as will be loads of people. However, Even the hotel is empty. I don't know if it's open or not, but it's empty. This one. As you can see, I just arrived to Canggu Station. That's quite famous place in Canggu, but not much is happening here also. And also the security guy is not so friendly to me, so I have to go. Because of security, I decided I will don't talk too much. However, I will show you how it is. And I forgive the security guy. He must have a bad day. That's it. However, Canggu Station. Well, just back to 707, as you can see. I will go inside and waiting for sunset, have some drink, show you guys around. Music is so loud over there, so I think I will don't talk too much. Anyway, not much to talk about the place itself. I will show you how is the vibes today. Oh, and they have a happy hours. Check this out. Well, as you can see, some people are coming, but 90% of local Indonesian people. However, it's not as bad. We'll see, it's 5:30. Still very hot, by the way, and I'm gonna get sunburn. We'll see. Well, as you can see, it's 20 minutes, 30 minutes to sunset, and some people are coming here, mostly the Indonesian tourists. However, few white people like me, foreigners. But this is only in 707 and next bar, but behind me this yellow white building is El Nido or something like this, and it's almost empty. Some Indonesian vloggers in 707. However, that's how it looks, the things here. I will wait till sunset and I will show you maybe a little bit of Seminyak or something, I don't know. Today's vlog a little bit shorter. However, that's how it is, right? You can see the sunset will be in about 15-20 minutes. Nice, but not the most beautiful what I saw, so I decided I will show you more, little bit about Petitenget area. Also long time wasn't been there. However, well, this area like Batu Belig is not my favorite personally, not my favorite area of Bali. I'm coming here very occasionally, that's why it was not many vlogs as you saw, but however I know as some of you guys really love the vibes here, that's why I showed you. I'm the only person I can like more places and I don't like some places, so this is the part of Bali vibe what I don't really too love. However, still good to be here. I will now show you a little bit more about Petitenget before the sun goes down, so still will be a good light. However, as you can see, not really much difference, still is very quiet over here, as you can see. Right, as you can see, now I'm in the Petitenget on the middle of the road. It's 6:05 p.m. It's sunset time next to the Dash Hotel, and it's super quiet. As you can see, you can stay half minute and there will be no car, and then 1-2 cars, and that's it. So basically some middle cheap or middle range prices places will be open. Small places, big places like next to 707 Batu Belig, Cafe del Mar is the very huge place, because it's so big will be closed because will be not many people interested to come there, right? See the road? So they are closed. The other places are open, but only the brand 707, that was the only the bar, the warung there, what I remember for many years before anything was there. So it's like a brand. However, as you can see, Petitenget area is super deadly quiet, as you see. At the same time, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. I showed you a little bit of everything, of Seminyak, Petitenget, Batu Belig, Canggu area, the most famous spots. I hope so you enjoyed. That's clearly show you how is the situation. Just basically some places will be busy, other one will be totally empty. As you saw, Petitenget is at least 50% of businesses are just closed, including the famous W Hotel and Potato Head. Okay, like always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Something new like always, 7 p.m. Bali time. And let's wait until will be any car on the road, because it's as quiet as I'm talking, even very quiet now. See how long? 3, 2, 1, go.